Has your car seen better days? Do you wish there was a way to restore it to its stunning former glory? Unfortunately, cars do lose their flair over time. It's a natural process, and never an easy one to watch. However, that doesn't mean it's gone forever, and we've dedicated our careers to helping people get the new car feel back in their lives. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We specialize in superior auto detailing, traveling to your home or office to perform comprehensive and thorough car cleaning and restoration. We have a vision of bringing your vehicle back to its flawless showroom condition, both inside and out. Whether you're a professional or enthusiast, there is a solution for you, and we take great pride in getting to know our customers' unique desires before going any further. Our talented, passionate team are waiting for your call, so get in touch today, and let's shower your car with the show-level quality it deserves.